Meat processing of tocino. Let's start! So today I'm going to show you how I make my own recipe for tocino. Are you ready? So here we go! First off, we're going to chop 1 kilogram of pork meat into thin slices. You can choose any type of meat, but I personally chose pork. Pork is a rich source of certain vitamins and minerals your body needs to function, like iron and zinc. It's also an excellent source of high-quality protein. So after chopping off the meat, we're going to put 1 sachet or 75 grams of tocino seasoning mix. So as you can see, I'm putting it directly onto the meat, but you can dissolve it with water. Next, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of rock salt and 1 cup or 240 ml of pineapple juice. Next is 4 tablespoons of anisado wine. Now that we put all of the ingredients, it's time to mix it all well. And after we mix it, we will put foil to cover it up. Now that we're done wrapping up, it's time to put it in the refrigerator overnight. Now we soak it in the ref for overnight because it adds flavor to the meat and makes them more tender and delicious. I'm going to post all of the ingredients that I use. Here it is. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button below if you like this video. If you want to see the finished product, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below for part 2. Thank you. Bye bye.